In this video, let us know about the opacity options, which is also located in the option bar. Opacity is also called as transparency, and to increase or decrease the transparency of an object, we can use the options or we can use the type in parameter section located in the option bar. Let us see how to use these opacity options practically. To know about the stroke options practically, let us select the object. Now let me increase some width points like 3. Yeah. So once if you select this object, and here is what we have, the opacity option. Opacity is also called as transparency, and it can be applied to many objects which are created in the documents. So now to see the opacity, you will have to click on this arrow and you can reduce the amount so that you can see that the opacity gets reduced. By decreasing the value in the form of percentage, the opacity, that means the fill color and the stroke color, will be reduced to transparent. So how do we know that whether it is becoming transparent? So let us select the object and create another object on top. We will apply another color. Now remember, the behind color is blue and the above color is orange. So select this one, reduce the opacity, and you can see that the behind color is visible. Not only this one, by selecting this object, hold Alt and drag multiple copies, and you can actually see the changes. This is 100% of opacity. You can select and type in the value to 75%, 50%, this is 25%, this would be 12.5%, 6%, this is 3%. And now the last one will be of 1.5%. Now here is the view. What is that? You can see the 1.5% is very low, and 3% is little visible, and then rest, let me select all, shift and scale inside the document, press W, yeah, and the 12.5%, 25%, they are very, very low, and 50% is half of the original opacity. So that's about these opacity options.